Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine 270 minis live bag. So we're having a nice mini waiting at the end of the track. And of course, the engine that loses gets to open it. And so we'll be happy to join in. So let's get started with Bash vs. Merlin. Oh, I can't wait to see who's in here. Who could it be? Oh, it could be something I know. Oh, it means it's. That means you're right. Means it's right. It means it's Noah the Glow Hyper Glow Percy 67. Yes, you're right. Next up, it's Gator vs. Salty. Oh, I can't wait to see who's in here. There's a special thing. Who can it be? Oh! It means it's Paint Splatter Thomas. Cool. He's from the Colin Law Engine series. Now I got lots of messy engines. So it means it's Paint Splatter Thomas. Yes! Nancy. Now it's Thomas vs. Golden. Whoa. Can't see who's in here. But, we haven't got, you're right. Means it's just shiny on bow. It's on bow without any messes on him. Hooray! We on to the finish up quarterfinals. It's Diesel versus Donald. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to see who's in here. Who'll be now?
Honking horns! Oh, hi, Thomas. Hi, friend.
Oh, I know it could be a very silly job to say Diesel. Oh, can't wait to see who's in here. Oh, you got another messy engine and a Percy. You're right. It's because it's Monkey Percy. Yes. We got quite a lot of messy engines helping out in our world's strongest engine for today. We on to the Solomon finals with time. With Merlin versus Gator. Done. Oh, I can't see who's in here. Who could it be? Oh, who's in here? Oh, I can't wait. Oh, we got another Thomas! I can't believe it! Oh my days, so you got 2 Percys and 2 Thomases. Yes! Who will face Merlin in the finals? But who will he face? It's Thomas versus Donald to face Merlin in the finals. Way to go, Donald. This is the final round. Donald versus Merlin. Uh-oh. Looks like you better try it again. Oh my, not again. Merlin is the winner, yay! Now you get Toby your prizes, Merlin. Oh, that one's it's Robo Toby. And that one is Rhinosaur Jane. Oh, that one's Zanny. Oh, yes it is. Hooray! For Merlin the Invisible.